Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey mustard sauce with yellow mustard easy method. Start by mixing yellow mustard, honey, and a mild vinegar in a bowl. Whisk until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Taste and add salt, pepper, or a pinch of paprika to personalize the flavor. Chill briefly to meld flavors, then serve with chicken, pretzels, or salads for a quick, versatile condiment. Gather simple ingredients: yellow mustard, honey, a mild vinegar, and an optional creamy element like mayonnaise or Greek yogurt. Measure 1/4 cup honey to 3 tablespoons mustard for a pleasantly sweet profile. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar to brighten and 1 tablespoon mayo to thicken if desired. Stir well, taste, and tweak with salt, pepper, or a dash of hot sauce for warmth. This method keeps things easy and flexible for any meal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, thanks to its glare-free screen and long battery life, so you can cook hands-free and still follow steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if it sounds useful. Now let's get back to the video. Whisking firmly helps the honey and mustard form a silky emulsion that clings well to foods. If the sauce is too thick, thin with a teaspoon of water or extra vinegar. If too thin, add a little more mayo or honey. Always taste and tweak. A pinch of salt can lift flavors dramatically. Keep the sauce chilled in a sealed jar and give it a quick stir before serving to recombine any separation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.